Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video we're discussing how to use Gemini to improve your oral English. So to set up your session you need to enter the live mode. Open the Gemini app or just use the website version and on the app you can just tap the waveform icon in the bottom right. This will make sure that you're now in a hands-free real-time conversation. You can also use the microphone here as you can see, but it's better done on the phone. And then you can just prompt this. You can just start by saying, I want to practice my oral English, act as a friendly speaking partner from London, speak at a natural pace, and if I make a significant grammar or pronunciation error, politely interrupt and correct me. And if you're prepping for something specific, you can tap the land chip on your screen and say, help me rehearse for a Shopify project meeting in English. Roleplay as my manager and ask me tough questions about our Q2 shipping rates. And in this year's update, you can also use the mute feature in Gemini Live. This allows you to listen to Gemini's feedback while you're in a noisy environment without the AI being interrupted by background noise. So just use your voice, guys, and stop studying English and start speaking it. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe.